Hi, today's video regarding HP Deskjet all-in-one printer 2600 series printer. So I'm going to show you how to do copy and then how to do the wireless print and scan. So let's start with that. First thing is take any smartphone you have and download the HP Smart app from the App Store. Once you download it, now go to the printer's control panel. Now switch on the printer and see if this Wi-Fi light is on or not. If it's on, then okay. If not, you can click it once and it will switch it on. Go to your Android phone and go to the Wi-Fi setup. Now you look for the HP Direct 2600 series printer and click on that. You need to add the Wi-Fi direct password or the printer password, and that is 12345678. Click on the connect. Open HP Smart app again, and now we will add this printer here. So you see the plus button on the top, click on that. You will see the name of the printer available, so just select that. And on the main screen you will see the printer details are available now. Now we are ready to do print documents and scan. So let's start with the copy first. To do a copy, the first thing is to open the top scanner bed and place the document you want to copy. For example, I'll place it here. Close the lid and press black or color any button you want once and it will start copying. And now I'll show you how to do wireless print. To do the wireless printing, go to your HP Smart app, look for print documents option. Go to PDF, scanned files, photos, anywhere you want to go. Open the document and you will see at the end print option is there. Click on that. And now you will see, if you want, you can change the details, number of copies, and click this icon again and it will send a command wirelessly to print. And now I'll show you how to do the scanning. Now to do the wireless scanning, we need to go to the app again. Go to the main screen, look for printer scan option, click on that. When you see this screen, we go and open the top scanner bed and place the document facing downwards. Close the lid and go to the app and click on the scan button and just wait for the scan to appear here. So you will see this is the easiest way to use this printer with any smartphone, and you can also use it with any computer or any laptop, any tablet which has HP Smart app and which can support the Wi-Fi. So that's the easiest way. Thanks for watching.